Welcome back to part 2 of our 1979 Triumph T140E head gasket repair. In the last video, we removed the gas tank, carbs, air boxes, exhaust, and rocker boxes. Now we're diving into the cylinder head removal, so let's get to it. Alright, so first let's get all the bolts and stud nuts off the cylinder head. Just going to take it slow, loosening each one carefully. Want to make sure everything's removed in the right order and nothing gets lost. Alright, with all the bolts off, it's time to try and free the head. As you can see, the head's still stuck on there pretty good. And there really aren't great spots to grip it, so pulling it takes some patience. Just using a rubber mallet to gently tap around the cylinder head, try to help break it loose. It is important to be cautious here though. This is an air-cooled engine, so the fins on the head are crucial for cooling. If you're not careful, you could damage them. I'm just spraying some WD-40 around the studs to help loosen things up. I'm not going to let it sit for too long, just enough time to, lubricate and break up any corrosion or debris. Hopefully this will make it easier for the studs to slide through the head once it is free. Alright, so even with that, adding the WD-40 and using the mallet and some extra muscle, it's still really stuck on here and not coming off easy. This has been taking a while, haven't been getting any movement at all, so I ended up applying some heat with a propane torch between the cylinder and the head. The main reason we're replacing this head gasket is because it's been leaking some oil around the area, and the heat helped loosen it up and break that bond. So we got stuff starting to move, but we're still not quite there yet. My rear push rod tube is stuck in there, so I'm just gonna pull it off with that in there. Alright, well there it is. Took a little extra time, but we got it done. So next up we'll just clean everything up and get ready for the new head gasket. Alright, so before I wrap up, I'll just bring the pistons up, check how tight they are in the bore. It's an important step just to make sure the pistons move smoothly, there's no binding. If there's any resistance or tight spots, could be a sign of wear or issue with the cylinder walls, but everything feels good here, so I think we're good to go. Thanks for checking out this video. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll be replacing this old composite head gasket with a more durable copper one. As always, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.